And basically I paint this every year. We do the bottom. This is what is this called? Baltaplate. That's what it is. This stuff polishes out nice. I'm gonna actually start sanding this with 400 and then spray it and wet sand the whole thing out. I resprayed the entire hull about 15 years ago actually. Still got a decent shine on it. I do some repairs here and there. They race the boat, so there's always some collateral damage. There's a whole row of ensigns here. I've done some work on most of them, but today I am focusing on this. It's got to be done by Saturday, going in the water. So the first thing on this that's got to happen is some sanding on the bottom. Normally I would tape off the edge for the red here, but I'm going to actually be painting this whole thing over, so I'm going to sand that too. I'm going to use a different grip. I'm going to actually primer this. This is all grip. So I'm going to hit this with some 545 or 455 or whatever the hell that stuff is. But I got to do this whole thing by hand. This is how it's done. And this whole bottom gets sanded out to 3,000 grit actually. There's not much to really do besides hit it real quick. If you are seeing this, go ahead, like, subscribe, appreciate it. There are some barnacles on here. I'll have to hit those a little differently. Oh, and then we have this that I forgot about actually. Gabe was telling me. Hi Gabe. It's a nice big crack here actually. Oh, it's epoxy coming off. So I'll have to repair that too. And actually, these barnacles are coming off pretty easy with the 400. So, I bet that'll be